So boys, हमारा जो स्टे था वो इस्तांबुल में हो गया तकरीबन एंड मैं सो गया था. I just fall asleep. then मैं भी नहाया हूँ. Let's see, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कि कुछ खा लें. So I thought that I should have to take you guys also with me. And also, if you come to Istanbul, the most cheapest dorm is like for me what I find is what I'm going for. So I'll show you guys. It's in Avcılar. It's a like district of Istanbul. So it's like Avcılar, and we are going towards that. We are in Avcılar, but like we are going towards that restaurant where we are gonna get like the dorum or like doner or whatever it is. So I'm like maybe 5 or 4 days here, but like since 5 or 4 days here, I can't still figure it out that what is the difference between dorum and doner. It's like same. When I order dorum, same. When I order doner, it's also the same thing. I understand what the difference is. So anyways, we're going towards it. I'm gonna show you guys the view right now. It's so beautiful, yo. See. So that what the view is. It's the bridge crossing all over there. And just see, man, like imagine you are living in this country with a nationality, and like in any other European country you're living, or America or Canada, you're living and having the nationality there. Just imagine how peaceful your life is gonna be instead of living in Karachi and dealing with all that shit. No light, no. Even in some part of the Karachi, I've heard that there is no food and no water. What, are we living in like a century of dinosaurs or something? I don't understand, yo. So that's why I just tell you guys each and every time that just get out from that country. You don't know how, I will tell you how. It's the cheap way to get out, and just keep following me, I'll tell you. Because as you know, I told you guys that I'm gonna help you, and I'm gonna help you to get out of that country. Because I know how it feels like to be in that country. People don't even love this country, like I'm talking about the Pakistan. People don't even love that country. They are like fully sick of that country. They just want to get out. They don't even love that country. Like seriously, I know even persons like who live in there, and they're not like I'm not gonna say like they're like so less people. There are a lot of people there who don't even love that country, because that country never gave them anything for their profit. So we're gonna be going. Let's see. Okay, this is the system. See, this is the metro going. Okay, we're gonna go up all the way. Okay, and this is also the lift for the people who are disabled or who are on the wheelchair. So, like for example, this lady coming with a pram, she's gonna be going into that elevator and bang up. So like these are the countries, yo. This is what the country is. So just leave the Pakistan. As you can see, elevator is still here. It's not like it's stopped, but like it's stopped by the government. Not it's like it's not working. So we are gonna be going through these stairs. They're kind of like and like in Karachi, these stairs are of like metal or anything like iron or something, but there like here it's of concrete, like literally concrete. Bang bang bang, done. No tension at all. It's it's all done. See the view, yo. Just imagine, you're living here. Look at this beautiful view. Sunset is happening. You're going so good. So we're gonna be meeting you guys in that restaurant. So let's go. Okay, so guys, this is what the real thing is. This is kind of like a food street up here. We're having a lot of food here. Literally a lot. And literally it's so cheap. Like if you compare with whole Istanbul, you're gonna be looking like so cheap here. As you can see, like these rice with like chicken or something. It's so good. These are like ice creams. Now see, this is the Wolves fridge, and they're selling like whole different items of ice creams. As you can see, these are like all the prices. They're still cheap, like rather than the whole Istanbul, it's cheap. Or like tomatoes वगैरह and बहुत एक अच्छा system है सारा. Each and everything is like, yeah, streets check करो, सब कुछ like एक well managed तरीके से हुआ है. So oh man, just imagine yourself here. That's all I can say. Because when you'll get out from that country, your confidence is gonna be like up automatically. You're gonna be like up automatically. Okay, I was talking about this. I have tried this durum jello too, but I'm gonna be recommending you guys the Baba doner. This is good. Like this is really good. It's cheap as compared to other. It's selling on like 40 Turkish lira, 30 Turkish lira a doner, where the others are selling like literally at the highest doner I've had in this country was I guess 110 or 140. Yeah, 140. So this is what it is. As you can see, it's 40, 30, 30. So let's go. Let's see. Ate it. So, boys, I want to tell you that in whole Istanbul and even in whole Turkey, you guys are gonna get like no ketchup and mayonnaise. Like in every hotel, it's like only durum and only doner here, but you're not gonna get like ketchup and mayonnaise with it, okay? But in this restaurant, only in this restaurant, like in whole Turkey, wherever I ate doner, in whole Turkey, this restaurant is having like unlimited ketchup and mayonnaise like Pakistan, so you can enjoy the wetness, you know. As you can see, ketchup and mayonnaise unlimited. They don't ask for money here for these things, but if you go to any other restaurant, they ask for money, like literally. Anyways, this is the best quality of this restaurant. Cheap, wet, and you can enjoy. Dubai, let's go. It's gonna be cool. Let's see. This is the bite, okay? It's fun. It's so nice. Like totally wet. They are having the pure sauces in it. Each and everything is so good. Literally, the taste is so good. I cannot even tell you guys in the words. I'm enjoying it. You're not enjoying. The bad thing is this restaurant is not having like meat in it. So if you guys want to eat meat, this restaurant is not for you. But you know, chicken is good. See. So let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen next. And also, like guys, as you can see, this is having like combination of chicken and chips, like finger chips and sauces and Like you can imagine what the taste is gonna be. So good, yo. I have. That's why I just ordered two. Two are good. So cheap for, as compared to like rest of the Istanbul. It's so cheap. So let's go. हाँ तो भैया बहुत हैवी था और लाइक जाहिर सी बात है दो थे तो इट वाज गुड. मतलब ये एक ऐसा मील होता है कि तुम्हें सस्ते में बहुत अच्छा मील मिल जाता है. लिटरली तुम्हें सस्ते में मतलब फुल एक खाओगे यू आर फुल. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा ऑप्शन है पूरे इस्तांबुल में. ये जगह मुझे बहुत सही लगी प्राइस वाइज क्योंकि सही है यार. बाकी जगहों पे 80 120 इतने लिरास तक के भी डोनर हैं और वो इतने मतलब लाइक वेट भी नहीं होते. तुम्हें पता है सूखा सूखा खाओगे तो तुम्हें लाइक नहीं वो कम ऑन लाइक ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड चीज़ टाइप ऑफ फीलिंग नहीं आती. सो यू gotta be taking some wetness in there so that you can enjoy, and wetness is good in everything as you know. So we're gonna be going towards the hotel now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go. Yo boys, look at this shoot in here. Oh my god. Oh lord. You know, I can literally see, like, can you see that Turkish flag? See, this is a building, yo. This is, and there is a lot of buildings right like this in here in Istanbul. What happened from these buildings are when you are up in the sky or you are looking for an aerial view, you're gonna be getting the city so beautiful. These things gonna make the city so beautiful at night from the aerial view. It is gonna be so good. So anyways, just imagine you're here with your family, you're here with your girlfriend, you're here with your kids and having the nationality of this country or any European country. Come on guys, get out from that freak place, yo. Get out from there. Do something for yourself, yo. Let's go. Yo boys, so this is what the actual scene is right now. I'm back in the room and we have done the eating. You have seen there was like beautiful way and beautiful view out there, outside my hotel. It's so good. Actually, what I think why Istanbul is so beautiful because in Istanbul we are having natural beauty. Like if you're gonna go to like any city which is gonna be like so beautiful but like it is like man-made, it is all artificial beauty, but this is all natural. This is all men have built here. Like there is like architectures and so many things which are artificial but they are in the natural things. Like there are houses like on the mountains. They are like so beautiful. So the view is great. I am back into my room and I just wanted to say you guys that thanks for supporting me. Keep supporting, and I just want to say that thank you. That's all I can say to you guys. You're supporting me very well. Just subscribe this channel. Do like and subscribe and share and comment. All these things. You having any questions in your mind, ask me in the comments. I'm gonna reply, obviously. And also, if you're having like an urgent question or something, you can contact me on my Instagram. I'll reply you there. So it's gonna be alright. I will help you guys to to get you guys out of there. So inshallah, we are gonna do it together. Okay, you guys are family to me, as I say in my every video. You guys are you. It's it's us, win-win situation. You and me making money together, yo. Let's go. So subscribe to this channel. Contact me if you want, like any question popping up in your mind, in your head right now. Just go to Instagram, link in the description below, and contact me. Yeah. So I just wanna say a goodbye now because the day is over. I just want to sleep, so I'm freaking tired. So let's do it. Let's just sleep, and I just wish you guys a really goodbye from this video. I will join you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.